I'm always delighted when people from different sectors of industry get together to work out the solutions to safety problems. So I was particularly pleased to hear that the Plastic Pipes Industry Forum had convened the entire supply chain to examine the risks associated with the delivery of plastic pipes. There's a common misconception that plastic pipes are light and that they don't require the same stringent health and safety considerations as steel. However, the reality of the danger was brought home by a recent fatality that occurred when plastic pipes were being unloaded. So for this reason, I urge you to read and implement the Industry Forum's guidelines, which are clear, easy to follow, and completely in proportion to the risks.
The Industry Forum brought together some of the best-known names in plastic pipe manufacture, transport and utilities to examine the safety issues surrounding the safe delivery and unloading of plastic pipes at customers' sites. As a result of this collaboration, a best practice document was produced, providing a framework for identifying site-specific risks and ways of controlling them.
I'm 8:30 booked any time after 9.
Better communication is a key aspect of this approach. It begins with a pro forma site checklist, a comprehensive questionnaire which covers important factors, such as the type of vehicle required to make the delivery, drop-off points, and whether safe clearances are available for vehicle outrigger legs. This not only makes sense in terms of safety, but ensures that deliveries are made efficiently and cost-effectively. It means that when an order is received, all the safety-related information is available to arrange the most appropriate transport. This also enables the customer and supplier to check if there are any other safety issues, such as weak bridges or low overhead clearance. As the lorry is loaded, best practice is reflected in the concern for both quality and safety. The forklift truck has specially rounded forks to prevent damage to the pipes. You should not put the forks into the ends of the pipes to lift them. This induces a localized bending stress into the pipe wall at the point of contact with the fork tip. The vehicle should also be provided with outside posts, which prevent the pipes from moving when the lorry is on the road. Alternatively, a center frame can be used, and the pipe strapped to it for extra support. A final check on safety straps, and the vehicle is ready to go. If required by the customer, the driver contacts the site to advise that the delivery is on its way.
Yeah, is there any access problems? Oh, we should be there in about half an hour, all right?
One of the most important guidelines in the Industry Forum Best Practice document is that all plastic pipes must be mechanically offloaded. If an onboard crane is needed, it will have already been notified in the pro forma. Equally important, there must be enough space for the vehicle's outriggers to be fully extended, representing a clear 6-metre span. During the slinging process, the lifting assistant must foot the ladder, making it safe and stable, while the driver positions the slings and attaches them to the crane hook. Only slings should be used for lifting plastic pipe, no chains or metal hooks, which could cause damage. The lifting assistant guides the pipe to the ground, with the driver taking control of the crane and the offload. Unloading pipes using a telehandler is also covered in the Industry Forum Best Practice document. The delivery driver is the only person authorized to access the trailer. However, once he has removed the securing devices, he should move away to a safe zone to observe the offloading operation. Under no circumstances should anyone be on the bed of the vehicle during offloading. Good communication between the delivery driver and the telehandler driver is essential. They should always be in direct line of sight of each other to control the operation and ensure that no one enters the zone where it is taking place. Maintaining the exclusion zone is vital to safety. The loading and offloading activity has the potential to be very dangerous, and all personnel should be kept at a safe distance. The only people who should be within the exclusion zone are the driver when he is removing the securing straps, the operator of the unloading equipment, and the lifting assistant. Throughout the process, they must ensure that they remain at a safe distance from the pipes to avoid entrapment. Another aspect of best practice is to ensure that the pipe is stored safely on firm, level ground. More detailed information on the storage and handling of PE pipe and fittings can be found in the IGEM publication TD3. A more detailed reference can be found in the Industry Forum Best Practice document. Coils should ideally be laid flat on pallets or stored vertically in an appropriate racking system. It is important to raise them off the ground to prevent the pipe surface being damaged by abrasion or sharp aggregate. The last step in the best practice document includes a hazard spotting report, enabling the driver to provide feedback on the delivery. This is to aid continuous improvement and safety awareness. The supplier should discuss any feedback with the customer and use the information to improve future deliveries. When the pipes have been delivered, it's equally important for customers to follow their own safety procedures for the next stage of handling. Through collaboration, the Plastic Pipes Industry Forum is putting safe practice to work, something that is in everyone's interest at every stage of the supply chain.